Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Qubole for data processing, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the Qubole login URL in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the login page. Locate the email address field on the page. Enter your registered email address into the field. Next, find the password field below it. Type your account password carefully. Confirm that both entries are correct. Look for the login button and click on it. Wait a moment for the system to process your credentials. Once logged in, you will see the Qubole dashboard. If prompted, select your desired workspace from the options available. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Look for the various data processing tools listed. You can now start processing your data as needed. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection. Ensure that your credentials are entered correctly. If problems persist, consider resetting your password. Follow any additional prompts or support links for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.